18 with news stories you won't see on any other station.
Patients could have access soon to medical marijuana as soon as next week.
Yeah, and now the E-Team's Kevin Barry explains how it will change the way patients are treated by police.
Before medical marijuana was legal in Ohio, it was pretty straightforward for law enforcement. Any possession or positive test means you probably did something illegal. But with medical marijuana nearly available under a doctor's care, it's not so easy.
Not everyone with marijuana in their system is necessarily operating while intoxicated, particularly if they have the medical marijuana card.
Lawyer Ian Friedman says this means there needs to be an education effort by the Ohio Attorney General's office, making sure all parts of the government that will interact with medical marijuana patients know the new law. That law says that in Ohio, drivers are allowed to have a small amount of marijuana in their system and legally operate a car. Friedman says the biggest focus for law enforcement is making sure that patients are using their medical cannabis as it's prescribed.
I don't really see too many problems if you look at it just like any other medication.
But when Canada legalized recreational marijuana, Ontario Police Service spokesman Sergeant Steve Betteridge says there's no widely accepted test to figure out how much marijuana is in a driver's system. Instead, officers there plan to focus on determining if drivers are impaired through field sobriety tests.
Now that this is a legal substance in Canada, can we as the police anticipate more people possibly driving impaired?
In Cleveland, I'm Kevin Barry for the E-Team.